Alright, let's be real. If you're a developer, you've probably had that moment where you look at a pull request and wonder, did someone just copy paste this? I've been there, but what if I told you there's a tool that could save you from the chaos of messy PRs? Enter CodeRabbit. So here's the deal. CodeRabbit is an AI coding assistant that hooks into GitHub and acts like a teammate on your code reviews. It doesn't just sit there, it actively follows your pull requests, leaves comments, and even helps catch things that would usually fly under the radar. I spent some solid time putting it through its paces, and honestly, I was surprised. It flagged missing tasks, pointed out hard-coded values, and helped me spot conventions that were being ignored. It's like having a second set of eyes but with less coffee breaks. Now it's not perfect, it can go a bit overboard, especially if the project style guide already covers something. And for the big stuff like architecture or security, nothing beats a human touch. But for routine code reviews, it's a real time saver. Bottom line, if your team's drowning in PRs or you're new to coding, CodeRabbit could be the little helper you never knew you needed. But if you already have a solid review process, it might feel more like extra noise. So should you try it? Well, only if you like getting your code in shape and saving time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.